Lakes of Harmony offers the security of a gated community and the luxury of a golf course, allowing you to live an active and exclusive lifestyle. Welcome to your dream home in the Lakes of Harmony community. This stunning 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom Jones Homes Verona model offers the perfect blend of elegance, comfort, and convenience. Step inside to an open and inviting floor plan that seamlessly connects the living room, dining area, and kitchen with crown molding as a bonus. The abundant space is ideal for entertaining friends and family that includes surround sound and living room and covered lanai. Retreat to the luxurious master suite, complete with a custom walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom featuring dual sinks, and an oversized separate shower. Perfect for relaxation after a long day. Work from home in style in your private office, which can also serve as a library or flex space to suit your needs. Sip your morning coffee on the welcoming front porch, or unwind in the evenings on the screened lanai. Plus, you're just short drive away from shopping, dining, and recreation options. Don't miss the chance to make this Jones Homes Verona model your forever home in Lakes of Harmony. Schedule a showing today and experience the perfect blend of luxury and tranquility it has to offer.